The Seen and Solved podcast is brought to you by Hubbard-Hall. Better results, less chemistry.
Probably the thing that they're happiest with is the throughput, right? There's no, they can get things through the line quicker. And like I said, the adhesion's probably going to be much, much better because even though, acetone and everything, you're not going to get all of it off if you're just doing it by hand, I don't believe, right? The 918 and using that and testing it out. Did you all test it at your facility first, or you just had so much confidence you did it at their facility right away?
We didn't have to test it this time. We'd had other applications where it worked. So in this particular case, we put it in and it did exactly what it was supposed to do. There's, you just run it as the technical data sheet tells you on the high end of the concentration, 160 degrees and let it go. And it worked wonderfully.
It's safe for the employees, right? They're not having to have the acetone, having to be in contact with any of that stuff with that. But, that's a very good win for everybody with that. But, Jason, I appreciate you taking time out and telling them and come back and tell us more of these. Because like I said, I don't think a lot of people know the things that they should be doing unless they have an expert like you and they're kind of giving them those extra set of eyeballs.
To hear more stories from the field, go to hubbardhall.com or wherever you stream your podcasts.